Hi, my dear students. Welcome to Raghav Math e-learning. In today's class, I am going to discuss about the limits in the form of infinity by infinity. I mean the problems to evaluate limit extends to infinity a polynomial by some other polynomial. I am going to give you one shortcut method. Just by seeing the problem, you can give the answer immediately. But before discussing that shortcut method, once I will explain what is procedure to evaluate this type of limits. See, limit extends to infinity 3x square plus 5x plus 2 by 2x square minus 3x plus 1. So for this type of problem, anyhow, to evaluate any limit, what we do? First we take x approaches to infinity in this. I mean, we put x infinity. Then it takes what form? Infinity by infinity form. Is it? So whenever the function takes the form infinity by infinity, what is highest term in numerator? You take that term as common. Similarly, what is highest in denominator? You take that as common. See, what we can get, that is limit extends to infinity. Here you can take highest term is x square, take x square common. So x square into 3 plus, so we took x square common, so remaining here you can get 5 by x plus 2 by x square. Is it? Whole by, coming to denominator, you take x square common, then it become x square into 2 minus 3 by x plus 1 by x square. Is it? See, we have one concept, that is limit x approaches to infinity 1 by x. This value is what? 0. So if x approaches to infinity, 1 by x is 0. Is it? So here you can see that x square get cancelled, and if you take x approaches to infinity in this function, we left with what? Here first we have 3 plus 5 by denominator approaching to infinity. If denominator approaches to infinity, the value become what? 0. So that is 0. Next 0 by 2 minus 0 plus 0. Is it? So what is the answer? Answer is 3 by 2. Is it? Coming to this problem. Limit extends to infinity 2x plus 7 by this. Again, if you take x infinity, what form you can get? Infinity by infinity form you can get. Is it? So what we do for this? We take highest term common in both numerator and denominator. Then we left with what you see, limit extends to infinity. You can take x common. So 2 plus 7 by x by what is highest term in denominator? X square. Take x square common, you get 1 plus 5 by x plus 4 by x square. Is it? Now here you can see that limit x tends to infinity, 1x get cancelled and we left with 1 by x into remaining what we have, that 2 plus 7 by x by 1 plus 5 by x plus 4 by x square. Is it? Now you take limit x approaches to infinity. So limit x tends to infinity, 1 by x become what? 0. So 0 into, here is it a bounded value? Yes, it is a bounded value. It become 2 plus 0 by 1 plus 0 plus 0. Is it? So 0 into a bounded value. What is answer? So answer to this is 0. Is it? Coming to this problem. Limit extends to infinity. Again, it takes the form infinity by infinity. So what we do? We take highest term common in both numerator and denominator. So take x square common. Then you can get 2 plus 1 by x square by, coming to denominator, what is highest? That is x. Is it? So take x common. You get 3 plus 2 by x. So here one x get cancelled. So it is limit x tends to infinity, x become what? Infinity into, here it become what? 2 plus something by denominator approaching to infinity. So 0 by 3 plus, it is also 0. Is it? So infinity into a positive value. Again it approaches to what? Infinity. So the limit of this function is what? Infinity. Now I give you the easy method to give the answer within few seconds. See, limit extends to infinity a polynomial by some other polynomial. Okay, so here I don't want to go through the procedure. Easily we can give the answer. That is, just you observe degree of numerator. What is degree of numerator? I mean, what is the highest power in numerator? That is 3, is it? What about highest power in denominator? Yes, that is also 3. So, answer is ratio of their coefficients. That's all. So, what is highest? X cube. Its coefficient 3. Highest x cube. Its coefficient 1. So, answer to this question is 3. That's all. See, coming to this problem. Limit extends to infinity f of x by g of x. Again, what is highest power of numerator? Yes, it is 2. What about highest power of denominator? It is also 2. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. So, if they are equal, answer is ratio of their coefficients. So, what is highest term? X square. Its coefficient minus 2. What is highest? X square. Its coefficient minus 3. What is answer? 2 by 3. Is it? Coming to this problem. Here you see that what is highest power in numerator? That is 1. Is it? X power 1. What about highest power in denominator? It is 2. Is it? So here you see that degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. If degree of numerator less than degree of denominator, no doubt at all, answer is what? 0. Remember that. Both degrees are equal. Answer is ratio of their coefficients. Degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. Answer is 0. Is it? Coming to this, you see that what is degree of numerator? I mean highest power. In this highest power x power 10. In this highest power x power 10. In this highest power x power 10. So totally what is highest power in numerator? That is 10, right? Coming to denominator, what is the highest power? Yes, that is also 10, right? So both the degrees are same. Answer is ratio of their coefficients. So here ratio of their coefficients. Here x power 10 coefficient. In this it is 1. In this it is 1. Here also it is 1. So totally 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is x power 10 coefficient in numerator. What about x power 10 coefficient in denominator? 1. Answer is what? Answer is 3. Coming to this problem. What is degree of numerator? That is 3. What about degree of denominator? Yes, it is 4. So what happened here? Degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. Is it? So if degree of numerator less than degree of denominator, what is the answer? 0. Yes, answer is 0. Is it? Coming to this problem. What is degree of numerator? Limit extends to infinity x square plus 1 by minus 2x plus 3. What is degree of numerator? 2. What about degree of denominator? It is 1. So here what happened? Degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. If degree of numerator greater than degree of denominator, answer is either plus infinity or minus infinity. So you must be very careful. Blindly you don't give infinity or minus infinity. Okay. Here you see that. See, answer is infinity. But we have doubt whether it is positive infinity or negative infinity. Is it? So what is highest term coefficient in numerator? That is 1 into what is highest term coefficient in denominator? That is minus 2. What is 1 into minus 2? Minus 2. Positive or negative? Negative. So answer is what? Minus infinity. So to write infinity or minus infinity, the base is this only. I mean, just you take highest term coefficient in numerator, highest term coefficient in denominator. If their product is positive, it is plus infinity. Their product is negative, that is minus infinity. So my dear students, what is the shortcut here? That is, just we observe degree of numerator, degree of denominator. Both the degrees are equal. Answer is ratio of their coefficients. If degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator, answer is 0. Degree of numerator more than degree of denominator, you must be very careful. Why? Because answer may be either plus infinity or minus infinity. So how to decide it is infinity or minus infinity? Just we take highest term coefficient in numerator and highest term coefficient in denominator. If their product is negative, that is minus infinity. If their product is positive, that is plus infinity. Moving to next. Limit extends to infinity minus x cube plus 8 by 2x square plus 5x plus 7. We have to evaluate this limit. See here, limit extends to infinity this. So it is infinity by infinity form. So what we do? So here what is highest power in numerator? That is 3, is it? So degree of numerator 3. Degree of denominator, it is 2, is it? So what happened here? Degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator, is it? We know that if degree of numerator more than degree of denominator, answer is either plus infinity or minus infinity, is it? So here to decide what is the answer, you take highest term coefficient in numerator minus 1 into highest term coefficient in denominator 2. Is it negative? Yes, it is negative. So what is answer? Minus infinity. Suppose if it is plus x cube plus 8, by that time here we get positive, then we can get answer positive infinity, is it? Coming to this problem, what is degree of numerator? Yes, that is 1 only, is it? What about degree of denominator? Yes, here we have power 2, but we have square root, is it? So it is like square root of x square, that is x. So we treat this as degree what? 1 only. Why? Because here we have square root function, right? So both the degrees are same. What is the answer? Ratio of their coefficients. So here what is x coefficient? 1 by. So here root x square is like x, is it? So what is this coefficient? A under root. So it is root a minus. Here also we treat this as x only. So what is its coefficient? C. So answer to this problem is 1 by root a minus root c. Moving to this problem, limit n tends to infinity sigma n cube by n power 4. So you know that what is sigma n cube? It is 1 cube, 2 cube, so on n cube. It is a standard result, you know that. That is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Now the problem become limit n tends to infinity. So you can replace sigma n cube with this. Then what you get? N square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 n power 4. Is it? Now you tell what is degree of numerator. Yes, here n square, is it? Here also we have n square. So totally n square into n square, n power 4. Yes, degree of numerator is 4. What about degree of denominator? Yes, it is also 4. Both the degrees are same. So answer is ratio of their coefficients. So here what is n power 4 coefficient? So in this n square, here n square. So n power 4 coefficient is 1 only. Here n power 4 coefficient is 4. So answer to this problem is 1 by 4. My dear students, I think you understood this shortcut. Share the video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to get latest notifications. Thank you.